Okay, when you dance, try to do 3 things same time. So it's very important not just to do a step, but also to do actions. So you're gonna do this. You're gonna bring your shoulders to hip, squeezing, count, and. Same time as you do count and, you're gonna send your chest forward, and same time, you're gonna push your arm front. In this case, you can produce a very strong connection. And so then you're gonna move. Let's say you wanna go back. 2 is always very high. Now count and is always shoulder to heel connected. And same time, and chest forward, arm forward, and walk and forward. So the good exercise for you to just stand maybe like this, all right, and for the lady step and press and. So you see I'm squeezing down, I drive my arm forward and I drive my chest forward and. So if you're about to move forward or back, you're going and then you move with that. Always arrive very high. And then if you want to proceed forward, you're going to do and on the other side and press forward and. So let me, you go, Richard, dance for the girl. So if I dance the girl's part, you hear, just stay like this for the camera. So stay, yeah, change that. Yeah, just close leg. If I dance for the girl, your part, what you see, I'm squeezing on and, send my chest to him, and send my arm forward. And. In this case, we connected towards each other. So squeezing on and is your dance. Chest forward is more your performance, your leading side, and this is more your connection, more feeling. And now if you would like to move, I go and then step forward 2, very high position. And on and I'm squeezing my other side with other chest forward and still arm forward. Walk. And go forward. 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 1. Now if I would like to do a hip twist, I will do 4 things same time. I'm twisting, squeezing, chest forward, arm forward, and. Got it? Here, and. So at the result, connection between partners should be always towards each other. That's the best way.